Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. This is Ahmad Rabi. In this lesson, I want to speak about the verb get. This essential verb get has many different meanings and we use it in different situations and we use it with different structures and phrases. So in this lesson, we will speak about it. So guys, stay tuned. My dear friends, the verb get usually comes with the noun. And the verb get here has three different meanings. The three great and important meanings of get are receive, buy, and find. For example, I got an email from Sam this morning. So here the verb get means to receive something. So I received an email from Sam. I like your sweater. Where did you get it? Where did you get it? So what's the meaning of get here? That's right. It means where did you buy it from? Guys, is it hard to get a job at the moment? So get here means to find. Yes, is it hard to find a job at the moment? So guys, as you can see, get has three important meanings and they are find, buy, or to receive something. Sometimes get comes with adjective, yes, which means to become. For example, we can say get hungry, get tired, get cold, etc. So sometimes we use get and adjective. For example, if you don't eat, you get hungry. Get and adjective. Drink your coffee, Jack. It's getting cold. I'm sorry your mother is sick. I hope she gets better soon. You know guys, it was raining very hard and we didn't have an umbrella, so we got wet. We got wet. So get comes with an adjective here. We can also say get married, get dressed, get lost. These are very common phrases we can use and we can form with the verb get. Get married, get dressed, get lost. You know guys, Nicole and David are getting married soon. I got up and got dressed quickly. You know, we didn't have a map, so we got lost. So guys, let's speak about the other meaning of get. Get has other meaning and that's arrive. So get sometimes means arrive. So get to a place means to arrive to a place. You know guys, I usually get to work before 8:30. So get to work, which means arrive at work. We left Canada at 10 and got to America at 12. Sometimes we use get with here or there, okay? So we don't usually use to here. Get here or get there. For example, how did you get here? By bus? How did you get here? So we do not use to. Do not make this mistake. And we also use get with home without to. So guys, don't use to with get home. We don't say get to home. That's wrong. We usually say get home. For example, what time did you get home last night? Don't say what time did you get to home. That's wrong. We also use the verb get with in, out, on, and off. Actually, we use get in or get out with small cars or automobiles, and we use get on and get off with big cars, with big automobiles. So guys, we usually get in the car or get out of the car, and we usually get on the bus, on the train, on the ship, and we get off the train, get off the ship, or get off the bus. For example, Kate got into the car and drove away. We can also say got into the car and drove away. A car stopped and a man got out, or got out of the car. We got on the bus outside the hotel and got off on the church street. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. This lesson was all about the verb get. So if you want to learn more about the get, I suggest you go and make some examples with the verb get. Do not forget to subscribe for weekly lessons. Have a great time.